Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Meets DIY. This is Helen. As promised in my YouTube intro video, today I bring to you my very first DIY. If you haven't seen my intro video, I will link the video in the description box below. Alright, so this is going to be the end result of the candelabra piece that we will be creating today. Let's get into it. These are the items from the Dollar Tree that you will need. Okay, so I went ahead and spray painted all my frames with the Rustoleum primer in black. I think this really makes a difference. It will make your gold paint adhere better, and it will make it stand out more. So I followed up with a metallic gold spray paint after the black. So here I have all my frames, and I have removed the tabs from 3 of them except for one, and that's going to be our top piece of our candelabra. So this is going to be our base to the candelabra. As you can see, I have removed the tabs from our bottom base frame, and we're going to put it right side facing down, and we're going to insert the cardboard and the paper that it comes with. You can choose a decorative paper, but for video purposes I'm going to go ahead and use the paper that it came with. And then we're going to go ahead and insert the glass, just like so. And here we have our top piece. As you can see, this is the one piece that I've left the tabs on. And I have used this pretty decorative paper. It has gold and a wood grain effect. I really like it. So we're going to go ahead and insert the glass back into the frame. I'm going to wipe it down clean, and we're going to insert the pretty paper facing down. And we're going to reinsert the cardboard piece that it came with. We're going to pull back in the tabs. And this now becomes our top piece to our candelabra. So we have our bottom and our top, just like I show you here. So we're going to put that aside, and we're going to move on to our side panels. As you can see, I have removed the tabs from this one. So I'm going to go ahead and apply glue. I'm using the Gorilla brand glue sticks. I really like these better than the regular glue sticks. I'm going to apply it in the corner and every so often, and we're going to reinsert our glass piece back into our frame, just like this. And we're going to repeat the same step for our other side frame. Apply the glue, and insert our frame, our glass rather. There you go. We have our bottom piece. Remember that frame is facing right side down. I'm going to be using rapid fuse glue that I found in the hardware section of Walmart. I do like this glue. You can feel free to use the E6000. I do like the E6000 also, but I'm going to use this glue. I think it dries much faster, and I'm going to follow with the hot glue. And now we're going to glue our side panel frame. I'm going to press down, not too hard, but we want to press down, make sure it's, as you can see, it dries pretty quickly. And now we're going to repeat the same process on the other side panel of the candelabra. So we're going to apply once again the rapid fuse glue, and we're going to follow up with hot glue. And now we're going to press down again, once again, but not too hard. And we want to make sure, as you know, it dries quickly. This is the time to make sure that everything is aligned as much as possible. Now I'm going to apply the rapid fuse glue on top on both sides, as you can see here. And before I adhere my top piece, I did go ahead and spray paint the bottom part of the LED lights pack. I spray painted those, and I'm going to adhere them to the glass. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it here, guys. You can feel free to use a ruler or whatever you like, but I'm just going to go with kind of aligning it on my own. I'm going to lightly hot glue them to the glass, just like so. Alright, then you want to press down, not too much. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the hot glue on one side at a time, as you can see here. Then I'm going to lightly glue it on, make sure everything's aligned, and then we're going to apply the hot glue on the other side. Press down lightly, clean that up, and there you go. And there it is. As you can see, we're going to leave the sides open, and we're going to apply these corner appliques. I did purchase these at Michael's. They come 4 in a pack. They were really cheap. I think it was like $1.99, and I did use my 50% coupon. I went ahead and spray painted them gold already beforehand. And as you can see, we're going to apply one in each corner on both sides of the candelabra. So I'm going to apply my hot glue. A little more there. And I'm going to go ahead and apply all the corners and on the other side, and I will be right back to show you the finished product. There you have it, guys. This is what it's looking like so far. It looks really pretty already. I've applied all 4 corner appliques to each side. We have the pretty paper on top. You can lift up the glass there and remove it whenever you want to interchange the paper, and remove the tabs from the bottom, from the top piece, and change the paper. Here I'm showing you some examples. I did drop this candle on accident. I didn't have a replacement, but we're just going to work with what we have. I did have to shape the bottom part a little bit so it can fit snug inside the bottom part there. These candles, you can find them at Dollar Tree, like I showed at the beginning, and they come with this gold finish, and I went ahead and spray painted them a little bit more. But yeah, there you go. That's the end result. And now I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can style this piece. Here I'm just showing you how you can finish off the edges there. If you want to apply some pretty ribbon or these diamond bling to finish off the edges there. I'm just gonna leave it like that. This is another option that I thought of. You can use napkin ring holders and spray paint them to whatever color you spray paint your candelabra. You just insert them there, and this can give them can give the candelabra a different look. They do sell different kinds of napkin ring holders, and yeah, you can spray paint them to match whatever color And here you go. This is my first style here. It's a fall look. Here I lit up the candles and I think it looks really beautiful. I went ahead and used some fillers, some glittered leaves that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I did also use the little twinkle lights that you can find at the Dollar Tree as well, and acorns and some gems and that sort of thing. I think it looks really pretty, and this piece you can use throughout the year, whatever season. It'll look beautiful in a console table, a buffet table, a dining table. Wherever you place it, I think it will make a really nice, beautiful statement. All the items used for this project, guys, will be down in the description box below. Now we're going to move on to my second style here, which would be a wintry theme. Here I have, once again, I have the candles lit up. And as you can see, I have placed some faux fur fabric that I had in the house, and I cut it to size and I placed it down as a base. And I have this greenery there, wintry, and I did place some snowflake stickers on the glass just to give it an added touch. And that's what it's looking like. And now we're moving on to our last design, which is a summer theme. And I went ahead and I lined the bottom with some sand, decorative sand. You can use real sand as well, and some shells and some greenery and pearls and some little diamond gemstones there, and the twinkly lights as well. I like to call them twinkly lights. I don't know if that's what you call it, but that's what I call it. And so there you go. I hope I've inspired you guys as much as you guys inspire me. I hope you love this piece as much as I do. I hope that you recreate it. And again, I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you very soon on my very next DIY coming up. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.